Bueno, pues vamos a empezar por la tortilla de patata, ¿vale?
We're in Madrid, cooking lunch. We're just gonna grind it out and make some tasty treats for everyone.
We're here at the cooking class. We're with a real Spanish cooking teacher. Really great to be working together to make traditional, real Spanish food.
Not bad. It'll be better once we cook it.
We got so much skill right now at the kitchen counter that no matter what food they gave us, like we're gonna come out on top with a great meal.
So, what are you feeling right now?
What am I feeling?
Yeah.
My arm hurts.
Oh man.
So how do you feel about the flip? How do you feel about flipping it? You nervous? You feel confident?
Yeah. Everybody's watching. It's so much pressure.
Oh no! Congratulations. Who cooked the meal? Buen provecho.